How's it going, everyone? I'm Andrew with SpeedTech Lights, and welcome to another episode of SpeedTech Spotlight. In this episode, I wanted to go over our new color models available for our Flash Carbine 140. So we recently introduced our red and our blue color models here, and then again we still have our amber and our red-blue color options as well. Now these lights are perfect if you need a work light and warning light in one. So you'll see I went ahead and activated all of the warning functions here on all of these models, and then you'll also have your work light function as well. And you can activate those functions together, or you can activate those functions individually if you would like to as well. So you'll see you can activate your light as a work light independently, or again you can activate the function of the warning mode as well independently. And again we have red, blue, amber, and red-blue color models available as well. And all of these models will come with their included mounting and installation hardware. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us and we'll talk to you soon. Thanks.